Good day, everyone. Welcome to our advocacy campaign on gender inequality and LGBTQ plus rights. Today, we will explore the concept of gender inequality within the LGBTQ plus community, discuss its impact on society, and delve into potential solutions to create a more inclusive and equal world. Let's begin by understanding gender inequality within the LGBTQ plus community. Gender inequality refers to the unequal treatment and opportunities experienced by individuals based on their gender identity and sexual orientation. LGBTQ plus individuals and discrimination, prejudice, and limited rights due to societal norms and biases.
The impact of gender
Solutions for gender equality and LGBTQ rights. It's time to take action and create a world that embraces diversity and equality. Here are some solutions we can work towards. Number 1. Education and awareness. Promote inclusive education that teaches respect, understanding, and acceptance of diverse gender identities and sexual orientation. This will help break down stereotypes and foster empathy.
Legal protection advocates for a comprehensive anti-discrimination law that protects gender LGBTQ plus individuals from discrimination in all areas of life, including employment, housing, healthcare, and family.
Let's come together and embrace the diversity within the LGBTQ plus community by fighting against gender inequality and advocating for LGBTQ plus rights. We can build a world where everyone is treated with dignity, respect, and equality. Remember, our differences make us stronger.
I'm Andre King D. Ramos
I'm Cyrus Rene Caralde,
I am Jamie Antakaike.
and I'm
proud
proud
who I am.